Gofort is the most stable, universal, quick-charging power station with multiple inputs catering to all of your charging needs. It features intuitive temperature control with an IC chip, an internal radiator, whisper-quiet fan, and a heat-dissipating aluminum casing, plus a safety-focused, long-life battery management system with short-circuit protection, overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, overload protection, and overheating protection. The advanced LCD digital monitor displays real-time input and output of power display for accurate use calculations unlike any other power generator on the market. Charge up to 4 USB devices with the most incredible 87-watt USB charging station. Anywhere, anytime, you need access to wattage comparable to a home outlet. Gofort's massive AC output accommodates the most intense load requirements with 2 regulated 12-volt AC ports for an incredible resource for the biggest of tools, available in 2 extraordinarily powerful sizes to meet your specific needs. And a DC port for access in the most remote of locations. Charge it anywhere, inside, outside, and with the light of the sun. With PowerPoint tracking via our thin, light, and highly durable 18-volt, 100-watt fast-charging monocrystalline solar panel, which provides an uninterrupted power supply with high-efficiency battery chip multi-output to guarantee you a constant flow of energy to maintain your devices on the go. It is fully certified and guaranteed to be your most valuable asset. And when the sun goes down, its incredibly bright 450 lumen LED lamp offers ambient illumination in the darkest of situations. Because Gofort is built for every environment, even unexpected emergencies. Our quality aluminum casing is solid and virtually indestructible. And all of this in a sleek, compact, beautifully designed package that is eco-friendly and economically sound. Gofort is your most reliable power partner in any situation. So when you need big power, get the most with Gofort.
Meet the new Jackery Explorer 300, bringing you 293 watt-hours of clean, stable electricity to power any adventure life might throw at you. Our new lithium battery generator weighs only 7 pounds, and its easy carry handle and compact size make it more portable than ever. This product provides 300-watt max continuous power and 500-watt surge power. And despite its small size, we've managed to include 2 powerful AC outlets, 2 USB, and 1 USB-C port, featuring PD 60-watt quick charge technology, as well as a 12-volt carport. You can trust that your sensitive devices are safe with our advanced pure sine wave inverter, which produces smooth and stable energy. Whether you're traveling on or off-road, you won't want to leave home without your Explorer 300. Set up our optional Solar Saga 100 and recharge your battery while still powering numerous devices at the same time. We've even included an MPPT solar charge controller to increase the battery's solar charging efficiency. If the sun isn't shining, you can also recharge the unit by plugging the included chargers into a wall outlet, carport, or electric generator. The device features fast recharging technology and can go from 0 to 80% in only 4 hours when plugged into your wall outlet. The Explorer 300 can power many of your standard electronics, making even non-portable devices portable. This allows you to spend more time outside and less time tinkering with noisy gas generators. You can use it to power your TVs, laptops, game systems, and even your professional cameras and drones, so you'll never miss that perfect shot because of a dead battery. Take the Explorer 300 on your next adventure and reach new destinations while exploring limitless possibilities for power.
Meet the Yeti 500X, a lightweight portable power station designed to keep all your small to medium-sized devices and appliances charged. Designed to pack 20% more power into a 20% smaller and lighter shell than its predecessor, The 500X is perfect for longer camping trips, backyard parties, or on-the-go power in case of an emergency. At the heart of the Yeti 500X is the lithium-ion battery with a 505 watt-hour storage capacity. This will provide up to 8 charges on a laptop and up to 10 hours of runtime on portable fridges, TVs, and pellet grills. The Yeti weighs in at 12.9 pounds and is capable of powering a wide range of devices with multiple port options, including a powerful 300-watt 120-volt AC inverter, a 60-watt USB-C power delivery port. This represents the latest in fast charging technology and is more than 3 times faster than a standard USB-C port. Aside from being an output, it can also serve as an input, giving yet another way to charge your Yeti. There are 2 2.4-amp regulated USB ports, a standard regulated 18-watt USB-C port, a 6mm 12-volt port which pairs well with some of our lighting options, and a 12-volt car port with up to 10 amps of regulated output for increased runtime on 12-volt refrigerators with no additional adapters needed. To charge the Yeti, there are 2 8mm charging ports. One is on the front panel and the other can be found on the rear. The included 60-watt wall charger will recharge the Yeti in roughly 8.5 hours, but the Yeti can be charged in as little as 3 hours with 180 watts of maximum input from solar or other fast-charging power supplies. Another addition to this Yeti is an MPPT charge controller, short for Maximum Power Point Tracking. By switching from the former PWM charge controller to MPPT, users will see a 30% more efficient charge from our line of solar panels. Check our website for recommended solar panel pairings based on your intended use, or feel free to contact our Solutions Center. Whether you need it on the job site, in the backyard, or in your go bag when a natural disaster strikes, you can count on the Yeti 500X to power your laptops, phones, camera equipment, drones, 12-volt fridges, CPAPs, and more. For more information, visit GoalZero.com or one of our amazing retail partners.
Meet the Lycan Power Box. Lightweight and rugged, the Lycan is the perfect storage system to power several AC and DC appliances, with features such as a floodlight and multiple charging options, including solar. The Lycan is easy to maneuver thanks to its pull rod handle and weighs in only at 55 pounds. It features a state-of-the-art replaceable lithium iron phosphate battery with a full 1,000 watt-hours of storage capacity. The Lycan can be charged by a 12-volt car outlet using a CIG port, an AC wall plug with the input port, or directly from the sun by connecting a panel to the PV port. The Lycan can provide 1,200 watts of power through any of its 4 AC outlets. DC charging is a breeze with 3 round DC ports, 4 USB outlets, and an additional 12-volt car port. To run an AC or DC appliance, you will need to specify the operating mode of the Lycan. Press the power button, and then you can select AC, DC, or both buttons to turn on that function. The bright floodlight on the top will make sure you're never left in the dark. You can externally charge an additional lithium iron phosphate battery to keep you on the move. You may also use Lycan to charge a sealed lead acid battery if needed. The Lycan Power Box, ready when you aren't.
Want to extend your weekend camping trip? Having a reliable power source is essential. By providing hours of extra juice wherever and whenever you need it, the Pecron S1500 portable power station is the most convenient tool to have at your disposal. S1500's compact nature makes for its great portability. With a 1,416 watt-hour lithium-ion battery pack at its core, S1500 is capable of providing 1,500 watts of power to run a wide range of devices for hours at a time. Don't let an unexpected power outage add chaos to your life. In times of unexpectancy, S1500 can quickly change its role to a handy backup, uninterruptible power supply at home. With a high-definition LCD screen, users can intuitively observe the real-time status of the battery level, temperature, remaining hours of use, and more. The integrated battery management system will actively prevent the battery cell from localized under- or overcharging, overheating, short circuits, and it assures charge and discharge cutoff protection for your safety. S1500 supports 3 ways of recharging and only takes 3 to 4 hours to fully recharge through a standard wall outlet. With high-efficiency cells converting the most sunlight into clean energy, Aurora 100 make the best solar panels for off-grid use with S1500. Without any noise generation or greenhouse gas emissions, you can enjoy your outdoor recreation to the fullest. No matter whenever it is or wherever you are, S1500 will provide you with the safest power supply and best grid independence.
Meet Monster X, the most powerful battery-powered generator on the planet. Monster X is a rule changer, bringing you the strongest power and the fastest recharging experience like never before. For the first time, a battery can provide 2,000 watt power like the standard of any wall outlet so that you can get a solid power supply anytime and anywhere. Monster X packs a massive 1,300 watt-hours battery, which is the most reliable companion, keeping a wide range of devices stay powered for hours and hours. You can even use it as an emergency backup for powering your electric vehicles up to 7.5 extra miles on a single charge. Waiting for recharging was always boring, but with Monster X, you can enjoy the fastest recharge rate. We designed Monster X with convenience in mind. It is both compact and lightweight, so you can take it with you no matter where you go. Monster X goes well with none of the noise, emissions, or maintenance, so it is a perfect generator that can stay right beside you at home. With Monster X, there is no need to worry about blackout any longer. All your home appliances can stay powered for hours, so you can still enjoy the light, food, and music with your friends and family. The Smart Power Management System and its Sidekick app allow you to monitor the Monster X battery whenever and wherever, and you can turn the outputs on or off as required. Monster X owns 4 regular USB ports, 2 60-watt USB-C ports, plus 4 wall outlets on the International or American edition. 11 devices can be charged at the same time, all on one powerful generator. Both Monster X's battery and structure are very powerful. The 1,300 watt-hours battery pack is reinforced by the aluminum alloy structure, and it's protected by ABS plus PC shed. You will never need to be concerned when you move it or carry it out. Without pollution or carbon emissions, Monster X is compatible with any solar panels in the market. Powered by perfect sunlight of nature, it can be fully recharged within 4 hours. Monster X is a revolutionary battery-powered generator. It brings you the new era of energy storage and power supply. Power all your devices and tools upon your request. Power your life all day, every day.
The Yeti 1500X. Now with even more power than its predecessor, this power station will allow you to tackle any project indoors or out. The new beefed-up 2,000-watt AC inverter allows you to confidently run anything you could from a traditional wall outlet while enjoying clean, quiet, and fume-free power. Keep your off-grid events, work sites, studios, base camps, and essential circuits in your home running without worry. With a 1,500-watt lithium-ion battery at its core, the GoalZero Yeti 1500X power station equips you with reliable, portable power for camping, tailgating, off-grid events, workshops, and emergency backup. The Yeti comes ready to power a wide range of devices with an array of port options, including a fast-charging 60-watt USB-C power delivery port. 2 AC ports with a powerful 2,000-watt AC inverter allows you to run power-hungry devices and appliances with confidence. Our new inverter size can handle up to 3,500-watt surges from power tools, refrigerators, and air conditioners, making it possible to power anything, anywhere. 2 2.4-amp USB-A ports. an 18-watt USB-C output, two 6mm 12-volt output ports, which pair well with some of our lighting options, a 12-volt car charging port with up to 13 amps of regulated output, and a 30-amp 12-volt regulated APP output. This allows you to power a large 12-volt system from a single port. Another addition to this Yeti is an MPPT charge controller. Users will see a 30% more efficient charge from our line of solar panels. Check our website for recommended solar panel pairings based on your intended use. To charge the Yeti from the faceplate, there are two options: an 8mm charging port that can accept up to 120 watts of input, or an Anderson power pole port capable of accepting 600 watts of input. The maximum input a Yeti 1500X can accept is 660 watts. The included 120-watt wall charger will recharge the Yeti in 13 hours, but the Yeti can be charged in as little as 2.5 hours from solar or other fast-charging power supplies. Our intuitive LCD display allows you to view your input, output, time to empty and full, and current battery level. For more display features, see your Yeti user guide. Under the lid, there are additional input and output options, including a 30-amp APP output, an 8mm 120-watt input port. These options allow for a more seamless cord management experience. There's also a module bay designed for our Yeti Link system, which optimizes your Yeti for vehicle, home, or battery system integration. In addition, we've expanded the capabilities of the latest Yeti app to include historical power tracking, charging profile options, and more. Easily pair your Yeti by pressing the wireless button and following the in-app instructions. This allows you to check battery level, power in and out, and turn ports on and off, all from the palm of your hand. With our historical power tracking feature, you are able to view your usage history in an easy-to-read data chart. Within the app, you can also select charging profiles based on your use to optimize your battery life. Whether you need it on the job site, on the road, or as a home backup when the grid goes down, you can count on the Yeti 1500X to power your electronics, appliances, CPAPs, and more. For more information, visit GoalZero.com or one of our retailers.
Hi, I'm Justin from WagonTech, and this is the WagonTech Solar ePower Case 800 portable solar generator. With cues taken from its big brother, the Solar ePower Cube 1500, this too is an all-in-one unit that is ready to use right out of the box. Made of an impact-resistant and watertight ABS plastic, the Solar ePower Case 800 is a portable, reliable, and completely self-sufficient solar generator that can supply you with 110-volt AC, 12-volt DC, and USB power no matter where you are. Now let's take a look at the case's control panel. Here we have two 110-volt AC outlets like you'd find in the wall of your house, a full-featured digital display, Anderson power pole solar inputs, charging input for AC and DC recharging, 3 USB power ports, an Anderson power pole output, a 12-volt DC socket, and a breaker reset button. For AC power, the case features an 800-watt modified sine wave power inverter that has a peak surge capability of 1600 watts. 800 watts is more than enough power to operate laptops, lights, TV, DVD player, satellite communications, gaming consoles, electric tools, and other electronic needs in the field. As mentioned previously, the case has 3 USB power ports to recharge your tablets, phones, and other tech devices. The 12-volt DC socket is the same as the one you'd find in your car and is able to power the same automotive accessories. The Anderson power pole outputs, found just above the 12-volt DC socket, is a favorite of ham radio operators and is compatible with many devices including ham radios, computers, RC car batteries, and audio equipment. Included with the case is a flexible and folding 60-watt solar panel. It's connected by Anderson connectors, so you don't have to worry about accidentally plugging it in wrong since they are color-coded and keyed. To use, simply unfold the panels, lay them facing the sun, and plug in the Anderson connectors to the solar input on the case. One of the best designs of the ePower case is the scalability. This case was intentionally designed to be adaptable in different operating environments. Additional batteries and additional solar panels can be connected to the reduced charging times and increased run times. And there you have it. This is the portable and convenient Solar ePower Case 800, a perfect complement to your daily work, outdoor recreation, or emergency preparedness kit. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and let us know if you have any comments, questions, and certainly subscribe to our channel while you're at it. Be sure to follow us on our Instagram at WagonTech for promotion and sales. Thank you for watching.
So here you are, enjoying a quiet Tuesday with all of those handy little devices that make your home a home, when suddenly the power goes out. Thankfully, you thought ahead. Enter R600, the only power station of its size with enough energy to run almost any household device. See, most power stations like this can handle your standard device. Things like lanterns, laptops, stereos, even little Cosmo here. Anything that needs 600 watts or less, no problem. But R600 goes above and beyond other power solutions. So even during a blackout, you can scramble some eggs, brew a cup of joe, or blow dry those beautiful locks without a moment's worry. So how long does the battery last? Well, that's entirely up to you. The base model gives you 300 watt hours of energy storage. That's like running a laptop for about 15 hours. But I have a feeling you want more. So at any point in time, you can upgrade to R600 Max. This adds an extra battery module, giving you double the energy storage capacity of R600. And then there's this piece of magic. When you buy 2 R600 Max units, this extension cable allows you to chain them together, quadrupling your storage capacity and doubling your output, so you can power heavy-duty gadgets wherever work takes you. Now take a moment and picture your next road trip. Anyone with a bit of wanderlust knows power is priceless in the great outdoors. That's why with R600 Pro, sky's the limit. It includes an expansion module for attaching any number of LFP or deep cycle batteries. Your storage capacity is literally limitless. An R600 Pro will monitor your power usage as if it was all a single integrated unit. Now I know what you're thinking. Big battery, big charge time. It's a fair assumption. But the difference between R600 and other storage devices, it's 10 times faster. The battery recharges from 0 to 80% in only 1 hour. That's all well and good when there's an outlet around, but Mother Nature rarely affords us such luxury. So when you're out and about, put on an eco-friendly face, because with its 160 watt solar panels, R600 recharges in just 3 hours of direct sunlight. It also solves another problem that I think many of us have. Nowadays, our bags are bursting at the seams with dongles and power adapters, AC, DC, USB, Type-C, too many. Well, you can leave those bricks at the door. R600 is fitted with every port you'll ever need to power any device. As you might expect, the built-in screen tracks each and every watt that flows through the battery. Is this useful? Yeah, absolutely. But convenient? Not so much. In this wireless world of ours, remote control is key. Now you can pair R600 with the new ECOFLOW mobile app. It does everything, right from the palm of your hand. Monitor your output, receive recharge alerts, check your carbon footprint, or set the mood for date night when the kids are out of the house. Long story short, R600 is your one-stop shop for staying connected on and off the grid. With unlimited power expansion, ultra-fast recharge, and so much smart functionality, it's bound to break the bank, right? Not quite. R600 starts at just $299, because we believe in building a better world by bringing clean, untethered energy to everyone.
From your backyard to the mountains, Jackery has your outdoor power needs covered with the all-new Explorer 1000. One of the most powerful and compact portable power stations on the market. Weighing only 22 pounds with an easy carry handle, the lithium battery generator packs a massive 1,002 watt-hours and is much more travel-friendly than traditional field generators. Our system features 3 AC outlets, a carport, 2 USB and 2 USB-C ports, including Quick Charge 3.0 technology to power your devices more efficiently. A smart LCD display provides accurate input, output, and battery level readings, while the side of the unit features a bright LED flashlight with an SOS function in case of emergency. Take the Explorer 1000 with you everywhere, and you'll never need to worry about running out of power again. Once the unit reaches low power, you can plug it into a wall outlet. car charger, generator, or better yet, try pairing it with our 100-watt solar panels to recharge on the go and completely eliminate your carbon footprint. We've equipped the unit with a MPPT solar charge controller to offer up to a 20% increase in charging efficiency. Set up the ultimate campsite and power your lights, coffee machines, coolers, and even your CPAC machine, ensuring a good night's sleep in the tent. And when the adventure takes you to the backyard, be the life of the party, bringing you and your friends quiet, clean energy while powering multiple devices simultaneously. The unit meets the power supply needs of more high-power electrical devices, so in the event of a power outage, you can rest easy knowing that your Explorer 1000 can serve as a backup generator to keep your essential appliances up and running. Whether you're going camping, road tripping, or just need an emergency power solution, the Jackery Explorer 1000 has your outdoor power needs covered.